Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install ES File Explorer in your Android mobile. First of all, download it from my given below link. After downloading, you can see it in your download folder. This is my download folder. Open this. Here you see ES File Explorer setup. Open this. Here you see it say for security your phone is set to block installation of app obtained from unknown source. Go to setting. Here allow this. Click on OK. Go back. Again open this and click on install. Here you see it installed successfully. Click on done. Go home and here you see it installed. Open this. Click OK. Here you see it installed successfully. Now go to setting, about. Here you see version Pro 1.1.4.1 mark it. So you see that it is Pro version. Okay, like and subscribe my channel.